I am officially not a thrift store person. I'm having a rough time out here today. I am back where I started. I'm sitting outside of Antique Galleries in Palm Springs. I went to well, let me tell you what actually happened. The first thrift store I went was absolute junk. They had some vintage stuff. It was, of course, very expensive and broken in true thrift store fashion. I thought about pulling in the Goodwill down the street and just couldn't stomach it. The third place I went was absolute trash. And the people were the people in there were frantic, which is exactly why I don't go to thrift stores. I can't stand that frantic energy. And then the fourth place I went, well, technically third place I went, doesn't exist anymore and didn't update any of their business pages. So I did a giant loop and I am now back in town. I'm going to go ahead and assume I'm not going to buy anything here for resale, seeing as the prices down across the street were so high when I was here on Saturday. However, I'm still just going to give it a go. I don't feel like going back to the Airbnb and editing video and doing listings. I've been doing that nonstop. So hopefully it's a good experience. At least hopefully we see some neat stuff, right? That's a cool poster. I don't understand what's going on with this glow that's happening on my camera. Okay, whoa. Look at those. Now that has my attention, especially the one in the middle. The original Trixie, world-famous ventriloquist dummy used by traveling preachers Walter Craig and Ray Harrison during their mid-century travels throughout the South. Complete costume. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking neat. $1,800. What's happening here? Yo. I'm assuming this is 4 digits. $4.99 each, or yeah, 4 digits. Very cool though. Sorry if that was a little risque. I was super into it. Super weird. Like weird and risque. Oh my gosh, the wall pockets. Oh, okay. So here's something I've actually never seen before. I've never seen the lucite frog napkin holder. I'm also really into that poodle plate. Spaghetti poodle. Oh my gosh, look at the cows. This whole thing is neat. Expensive, but neat. Look, mid-century lucite candles too. Definitely some different stuff in here. These are cute. Oh, that's so cute. I love this whole setup here. Getting warmer. Oh, the owl thermometer. That's neat. That's kind of a wild wine bottle, isn't it? Lily of California MCM pottery vase. Oh, cool. Gemstone eyes as found. Oh, it's super cracked. That's very neat, though. Look at this owl. He's kind of fun. Interesting. 338. Put him down, okay? That's kind of nice too. Never in all my days have I seen so many expensive compacts. Now, I mean, these are amazing, but like $59, $175. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wait. $175. Okay, but look at these. These are fantastic. I already see the prices. $325, $145. Okay, moving on. Ooh, shiny. Well, I was attracted to this situation, but this is amazing. I am uncertain if it's contemporary, honestly. I'm pretty convinced it's actually new. But I'm super into this setup. Oh my gosh, these clocks. I guess they make these. That is so fantastic. Oh my gosh, look at the flamingo one. Of course, I like the one that's $275, and that one up there. Oh my gosh, yes. These are very neat. Very cool, handcrafted. Oh, this place is beautiful though. Super Palm Springsy. Well, with the 50% off, a lot of it's actually pretty affordable. I just don't see anything I can't live without, unfortunately. Okay, yes, please. Well, this is probably gonna be like $300 at least, but I have to know. Wow, that's amazing. Totally epic piece of pottery. Now, shield your eyes before I show this. I'm obsessed with Eve. That chandelier is to die for. There's a lot to like here. Oh my gosh, these are so fun. There's something in particular at the end that I'm really, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, that's fantastic. 1960s coconut monkey, $52. It's this poodle tray. It says 68 though, it is hand painted. Oh my gosh, wait, stop, look at this. 48 as found. Oh, it's broken, dang. And I don't think it's actually supposed to be like that. Maybe it is. Maybe I think somebody made that. That's very cool though. Interesting. What is this thing? Souvenir coaster Hawaii set. And I love the mosaic table. This is very cool too. I feel like I never see stuff like this in real life, only online. Italy. And what is this purple sequin number? That is fantastic. 52. It's really fun. It looks really well made. Oh, such a happy table. That's a neat lamp. Needs a different shade though. And I love the grapes and that weird yellow metal art. Okay, there's some really neat stuff in here. So it's not all for nothing, that's for sure. I love the look of the way everything is displayed. Makes me kind of wish I was rich, you can't lie. What is this? Sheepskin masks, $340 each. Fantastic though. Let me put that back. Windows sushi display, interesting. Whoa, look at these. Those are amazing, that glare is so cool. Oh my gosh. There's some really neat stuff in here. These beaded numbers are amazing. The glare is so bad though. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see. Look at these little hobbyist mermaid pieces. Blue spaghetti poodle, $30. That's surprisingly well priced for this area. I find like spaghetti poodles are insanely expensive here. I love the owl glasses too. I'm loving these glasses. See, like this is the kind of side I want, the upside down ones. Is this a pink? No, I thought it was fox. It's fake. Well, I was going for the clothing, but alas, I spotted the jewelry. This is amazing. 24. That's probably Hong Kong, or maybe even Japan. Look at these guys. 18. What about this crazy black one? 19. These are so neat. I like this clear one. Let's check this out. Kind of a funky shape. 19. This is really pretty too. 12. Crazy red cuff. 22. Not insane. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this Trifari necklace. I love that. Oh, and this pink hat. This is neat too. Love the colors on that. Close, but not quite. This is pretty great though. If this was a little bit less, I'd probably get it. Hello. God, I wish I could wear that. But yeah, a lot of really fun clothing. This is a really neat one. It's really tiny, tiny waist though. All right, upstairs I go. This place is way bigger than I thought it was. Okay, I'm actually obsessed with this. That is so freaking cool. I would totally hang that in my house. The little flowers. Pink cowhide. Oh my gosh, this hairdryer lamp. Oh my gosh, this is so fantastic. Oh my gosh. Oh, amazing. Amazing. No words for this. This is fantastic. I love these. This table is epic. This luggage table, that is so cool. Oh, now this is tasteful for sure. That green chair, let's get their jewelry. Wow, so fun. Oh, it's like they've repurposed the brooches. How neat. This one's cool with the, I think that's a Bakelite buckle underneath. Oh, so fun. Oh, this is so cool, man. Hey, I have that gold lamp. This bicycle, this one. Oh my gosh, look at this. How much are you, $265. I actually don't think that's insane. That's ridiculously cool. Yeah, I'm really into the orange telephone lamp. I will say though, that one's definitely my favorite. And this chair's, the green bar is epic too. The way it's painted is everything. I've actually entered paradise. Wow, look at those glasses. How cool. Stained glass tumblers, 4 for $48. I actually think that's reasonable, especially with the 10% off or whatever it is. Very cool. Whoa. Lots of glass. But this has my full attention right now. The cart is amazing. I really like that red bangle on the bottom. So much neat stuff. This bag wins for me. How cool. 58 and 15% off. That is super neat. As much as I'm seeing stuff that I really like, I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that it's all together in this amazing display. I haven't seen anything that's made my heart skip a beat really yet. These 3D bubble arts are super neat. Really cool. Oh, look at all the pink. Oh my gosh, the elephant set. So cute and hard to find. Wait, I know these are probably new, but I need to know how much these pink glittery resin switchblade covers are. How fun. Wait, they're not. Oh, stop it. That's so cool. These are actually vintage. I thought they were new. 26 each. I can't do anything with that for resale, obviously, but I'm trying to think if I need one. More pink elephants. And look at this fun glass. Revolving trivet tray. Love the color. Wow, this is so fun. Much better than thrift stores. What's going on over here? These cute napkins. Love that. They have a few little random knickknacks in here. I don't see price tags on stuff. Oh my gosh, red glitter vinyl. Personal weakness of mine. So cool. That's so neat. More mid-century epicness. Look at these chairs. Wow. Oh my gosh, this appliance cover. Stop it. These are fantastic. These are kind of different too. Well, I didn't get anything, but at least I feel super refreshed. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do now, but it probably involves Mexican food.